How's it going? Jeremy, JR Graphics. I just want to talk about a little project we just finished up. This is a 2023 Street Glide with a custom Avery printed wrap that we had done for a customer of ours. We love doing custom wraps and something new and something different to do. And this has been one of our funnest projects so far, just because the design layout. Here at JR, we do graphics, we do installations, we do printing, we do just about everything. Every now and then a customer will have pre-made wraps done. This one is one of those things. A customer had found another person who prints the wraps, and that's in a different state, and really wanted us to do the whole thing, but they had already purchased the wrap. So I said, hey, we can handle the installation. No worries. This was fun, and this was something new and adventure, to be honest. Because with wraps, every wrap's different, every wrap is installed different, everything is different, just with how you do it. The difference between installation and graphic design work is when you do graphic design work, sometimes things don't line up, some things have to be in pieces, some things can't be in whole. In the wrap industry, we love to try and keep everything one piece, because when people hear, oh, I don't want seams, this and that. Seams are not bad, splices are not bad, it lasts, because with heat and everything expands, pops up, it's just the way it is. When I print something, design something, I know that I'm printing and designing it to fit the way I'm going to install it. When other people print stuff, they are printing it knowing that an installer can do it. They don't really worry, or care is a bad word, but say they don't know exactly how they would install it, they leave it up to the wrap people. So for us, it's a little bit of a challenge sometimes, explaining to customers as in, hey, we're gonna do this, but if something messes up, we only got one go because we didn't print it. But it doesn't stop us from doing it, just we have to spare a little bit of time. And that also with us and whoever you go with, I personally reach out to people who printed it and ask questions like, hey, what was your thought process on this? What were you thinking? And sometimes you get a good idea of what they thought. And majority of the time they're like, hey, we just print it, we're leaving it up to installers. So it does leave some time for us to think about how we're gonna do it. We only got one shot. Yes, we can get something ordered, but if I have to order something, it delays the time for the customer wants to go ride, I get it. Usually something like this can take about 5 business days, if not shorter, depending on the workflow for us. You know, we can usually get it in pretty quick, depending on your schedule, because we all know that people want to get riding. The outcome of this custom wrap that we did for this customer, we absolutely love it. It turned out great. Customer loves it. So if you have any questions, or you're looking to get your bike wrapped, if you want to do something, a design like this, or you want to do a solid color, we can handle it. Once again, there is companies out there that make kits that are already done. So if you do have a kit and you're looking to get it installed, we can handle it for you. We've done a handful. We've made good connections with the companies that make the kits, just in case you have any questions or stuff like that. But we're more than happy to help. As well, we can help you out as well with designs and install. So if you're looking to get something done, hit us up, shoot us a message, give us a call. We're JR Graphics down here in Conroe, Texas. Give us a shout. We'd love to take care of you. Thanks.